Hello everyone, my name is Zaidullah Khan and today, along with my teammates Sikandar Khan, Shafat and Muhammad Faz Kadir, we will be exploring MSF console through a live attack demonstration. So first of all, what is MSF console? The MSF console is a kind of command line interface for the Metasploit framework, which is widely used by security professionals for penetration testing and ethical hacking. It also provides several powerful features that includes exploits for known vulnerabilities. It also delivers payload for that execute malicious code on targeted systems, and it offers post-exploitation tools to maintain access and gather information after compromising a target. Additionally, auxiliary modules are available for scanning and launching specific attacks. There are few capabilities of MSF console that I wanna highlight. First of all, that MSF console automates various exploitation tasks and thus saves time and efforts. It also provides a vast library for pre-built exploits and payloads for known vulnerabilities and integrates seamlessly with tools like Nmap for scanning and vulnerability detection niches. MSF console is widely used for vulnerability scanning to identify weak points or exploit development to test vulnerabilities. It also has it is also used for exploit development to test vulnerabilities and payload delivery and testing to validate the success of an attack. It also supports a real-time collaboration, making it suitable for team working together on penetration testing projects. Now, to demonstrate MSF console capabilities, let's go through a real-world use case. In our case, the target for our attack is a HIK Vision DVR with an exposed web interface. Our attack identified the target using Nmap, which scanned for and that then Nmap scanned for open ports and services. We use the Slowloris module within MSF console, and this Slowloris module is a denial of service attack technique that opens multiple connections to a server. By sending multiple incomplete requests, the server resources were exhausted, and as a result, the DVR web interface became unresponsive, demonstrating its DOS vulnerability. Here are the step-by-step execution detail of our attack. First of all, after opening the MSF console to the line command interface, we load the Slowloris module using command use auxiliary DOS http Slowloris, and in step 3, we set the target for the Slowloris attack by setting our host as the target IP address. And the last step was just to exploit or run the exploit command, and the target web server became inaccessible, confirming the success of the DOS attack. This attack highlights how simple tools within MSF console can be used to exploit vulnerabilities effectively. Next, we will be walking you through a live demonstration of this attack. Please follow along as we execute the steps and showcase how the DVR system becomes unresponsive under the attack. So for our attack, we used Kali Linux, and first of all, we searched for the nearby networks or devices in the range. So there were several IP addresses, but most of them were closed. They had closed ports. But one with the HIK vision, there were some ports open. So we searched for the vulnerabilities in the HIK vision system. And in the result, we got that there is an exploit of Sloloris in this ID in this IP address. And this Sloloris attack was first identified in 2017. So now we are using a Kali Linux service for speeding up our console. This service was PostgreSQL. So now we know that what is our target and what are the vulnerabilities in our target. So we will just load Sloloris in the MSF console. Now if we go at that IP address, we will see that it's working and there is no exploitation being carried out. 150. So you can see that it's working. Now if we exploit this, it will not be there, and it will demonstrate that a DOS vulnerability exists. Now we search for Sloloris in the MSF console. There is our Sloloris module. We select that module. Now there are certain options required for each attack or payload. So you can see that there is the R host is missing in our options of the Solaris module. So we are setting our host as the target IP address. If we again see options, there our host is there. So now we'll just run the exploit, and now it is sending open request to the server. And if we go to that address, IP address, it will simply do not response. This page is not working. Now we will just close our MSF console. So this was a small video for how we targeted the how we targeted the HIK vision using the MSF console and Sloloris module. That was all from our side. Thank you. Have a nice day.